remember the ramp artists. Na sino yung mga yun? Astig. Sino sila? Bakit di sila sikat? Bakit sila... So now, when we come up to with our second Ramp Music Festival 2, it will make sense now with them. Kasi, nako, nakita namin yan nung una. So it will make sense. And then we're fully covering it with the video team, with my MR Media, with Mr. Speaks Media. We're covering the whole concert, and then we're coming up with an edited, cool, kick-ass trailer, so that we can advertise also for the next one.
Is it safe to assume na yung majority, the newcomers or the new and emerging talents will have more performances rather than the what you call icing?
Yes, our stable bands. Yes. Kumbaga, kunyari, kung 2 hours ang whole concert, a good, let's say, actually half there. Kung kunyari, 2 hours ang concert, 1 hour kala bands, 1 hour for everybody. Okay. To be fair naman. Hindi naman, we're not saying na singit sila. No, they are our special guests. But the night is to celebrate our new artists. At saka para malaman din ng mga iba na open si Ramp for artists. Kunyari, may nanonood. I'm an artist, I want to sing also. Can I go to Ramp? Pwede. It's going to be an avenue for them to know na, pwedeng kumabit kay Ramp, mga bagong artists. So like Kyle Daniel Estrada here, he's not Ramp, but because we're like that, we're game and we're open to helping out artists, other artists. We're not yung close na, hindi, dapat Ramp lang. Hindi naman, kasi this is an opportunity. And we are always going to do this all the time. Na yung mga kahit na mga may bago na isa o dalawa dyan na hindi pa Ramp, pwede namin papasukin as front act or a special number. Hindi kailangan. Pero it's an intro na. It's an intro to a good relationship. Kasi siyempre, Star Magic to eh. So, buti nga nahirap namin. because he's a budding artist and he's my friend. So, we're but grabe si Ramp eh. Ramp is so open. And I'm so happy kasi first time ako nakamit ng yung open lang to new ideas ba? Kasi I've been doing this for 27 years. May mga kausap ko, grabe na ganun lang eh. What they know lang, what they want, that's it. So this is a good working relationship with me and Ramp together.
I just would like to add about that this is a benefit concert. That we have chosen our beneficiary as Bukas Palad. Bukas Palad is a social center that caters to the entire family. They help children, they help married people, they have single mothers, and many others. And one thing we liked about Bukas Palad is that they are not the usual social center that, charitable, that we give you and then no. They are one of them. And the volunteers of Bukas Palad are also came from the indigent people that they are helping. So that is one thing that really drove us, attracted us to choose them as our beneficiary. And and to also give you the international aspect of Ramp, we have partners. Actually, we have a partner in Switzerland and 2 in Italy, where our artists can go. In fact, many of them will be signing already recording contracts with BAM, Beyond Any Music. This is a recording producer, a recording label based in Milan, Italy. So after our concerts, the BAM artists will be very busy recording their pieces, their first CDs or whatnot, with this label, BAM, Beyond Any Music.
And I believe this, the one that the latest group that just signed in BAM is Fourth Impact, right? Yeah, so Fourth Impact, our very own Four Filipino powerhouse. So they're signed in now to BAM, and we're connected that way. So yung international talaga din naman.